welcome to this class. I am Nille, and in this class I want to show you how to do the Viborg shirt. It is the best preserved linen shirt from all of Europe in the late Viking age. This is found in Denmark. It's found folded down in a poster hole from a house. The poster is out and this is placed in the bottom. And luckily it has been there under moistures for 1,000 years, almost. And excavated. And I think as much as 90% of that is 100% preserved. And so is also the 8 different seam techniques that are in this. Normally, when we find wool, it can often be sewn with linen, and the linen is gone. Here it's all preserved. It's just amazing, and it is a masterpiece. The original was bleached linen. In this one, I will use linen from corpse. I will talk a little more about that in the next part of these videos. It's very nice linen. And it's natural. I've also made them in wool, in dyed wool, but you can, and if you want to make them in linen, you can also, for instance, make them in blue. You can dye. They could dye linen blue with gold. That's up to you. It's very special, and actually we don't know if it is a Viking shirt at all, because it's on that farm. It was a big farm it was found on. The king from England came there, and the shirt is sort of put down in the same way as you put down a golden folio before you raise a hall. So it might be a sacrifice, a very precious gift. It is not weird out at all. It was when it was put there. So maybe it's a sacrifice with the precious gift from the royal king. We don't know. But what is funny is that even today in the Baltic country, it's still a part of the folk dress with this, not patch, but square taken out from the fabric. It's still in the folk dress on the other side of Scandinavia. So maybe it became a Viking shirt. I don't know if it's a man or woman. Tunic, coat? No, tunic. There's nothing in the context saying that it is a male. I think there's something with the shirt saying that it is a woman's, but I'll come back to that also in the next chapter. Is there more I should say now? Yes, you can download, of course, the pattern sheet on my web, NilleViking.no, Norway. If you don't have one of your own, I'll put the link. I love to make this. I have made, this is actually my number 25 of those in all sizes. And I still love to make it. Also because it's sewn, some of it is sewn from the right side, not from the inside. There's another way of thinking, construction and the way of techniques and the way of doing them. So it is funny, and when you have made this, you can do everything, I would say. It's not difficult, it's just techniques. So, take 3 days off and do one of those to your loved ones.